have a
Pero
heart.
hindi ba it's hard, yung ganitong klaseng buhay, 'di ba? You're always on the run, you're
Yes.
always watching your back, iniisip mo yung anak mo, iniisip mo yung asawa mo, and madaling to be moving around na mag-isa. Pero kung tatlo kayo or more than three, then it's
Yes.
harder.
Yeah, it is very hard. But in comparison kasi, it's harder to move there in the Philippines, watching your back at every corner, than other places. Kaya nga sabi ko yung cases ko, I'm gonna take this to another court, to somewhere na walang influence ang Iglesia ni Cristo who can protect our rights, and I'm gonna go from there. Sabi ko, even kung at this point na kinakailangan namin we have to move around, I'll do it. Kesa naman sa nasa Philippines kami, tapos ang kalaban mo pa mismo kapulisan. Ang kalaban mo pa mismo, hindi mo alam, yung palang katabi mo na lang sa mall or sa grocery na malalaman mo na lang kaani pala sa Iglesia ni Cristo and one of the fanatical members is gonna do something to me or my family. Because it came to that point na. Kasi nung yung mga times na mga threats nila sa akin, yung mga intimidation nila, hindi ko pinapansin yun eh. Nung pinakulong nila ako and then may mga bail, sige, kakayanin ko yun. Pero nung nag-escalate na yung risk at yung threat and ang tinarget na nila is yung alam nila na kumbaga something that can penetrate me para to get to me, yun ang ginawa nila and they targeted my daughter.